People often ask us how GitHub works so well with TinaCMS, and that is because we deal with content efficiently using the data layer. So what is the data layer? It sits between GitHub and your TinaCMS site, so that anytime you query content or make changes, you just go directly to the data layer instead of making a bunch of requests off to GitHub. So what are the couple ways that we can set up the data layer? One is to use self-hosting. And that is when you use our self-hosting packages to set up the data layer yourself. As this is a custom implementation, it does take some time, which is why it's not the recommended option. The recommended option is to use TinaCloud. And this has its own data layer, so that when you set up TinaCloud with TinaCMS, that data layer is ready to go. You also can make advantage of the other features of TinaCloud, such as the editorial workflow and its branching capabilities. Fun quirk about the data layer, it also indexes your branches so that your TinaCMS site is able to make use of those branches and the content within it. So, TinaCloud has a great way to be able to manage and view those branches. So let's just jump over to the TinaCloud dashboard quickly. And you can see I have set up a Tina next.js starter site using the TinaCloud Quick Start, which you can find on the tina.io homepage. So if we just go to project details and then click configuration, and then scroll down to branches, you can see what branches have been indexed within your data layer in TinaCloud. And this gives you some insight on what you can use on TinaCMS. You sometimes don't get the webhooks firing from GitHub, which will trigger TinaCloud to index those branches on GitHub. And I've set up an example here of that, which you can see under there being to get those branches back into TinaCloud. So if you just click the link here on 3 unindexed branches, you can see that we have these branches that have not been indexed. So we can just go ahead and click them and click indexed branches. And that will go ahead and start that indexing process off, which you can see there. And after a few seconds, if we just click refresh branches, you can see that those branches are now in your TinaCloud data layer, ready to go. If there are any issues, you can go to the troubleshooting page on our TinaCloud docs and scroll down to the how do I resolve errors caused by unindexed branches. And that will give you some more insight on how to resolve these issues yourself. So, this gives us a bit of insight into what TinaCloud can do within the data layer, what the data layer is, and how TinaCMS makes advantage of that to deal with your content efficiently. So this has been Eli from the Tina team. Hope you enjoyed. Cheers.